This video is about two freelance platforms where you can work and earn money. So if you're a fresher, you're experienced, or you're a housewife, or anyone who is interested to writing jobs, here I'm going to discuss about two platforms where you can work as a freelancer and earn money. In addition to the compensation that you receive for the project that you complete, you can also expect getting a lot of bonuses. On my channel, I used to provide a lot of remote and work from home opportunities as well as freelance opportunities. So if you're looking for remote work from home opportunities, either part-time or full-time, or you're looking for any freelance kind of opportunities, you can check out my channel, and there are so many job opportunities available based on your interest, your skills, and the qualification background. You can check out any of the jobs available, and on this channel I have also explained about so many companies that offers remote job opportunities, and there are so many companies who are almost always hiring. So what you can do, you can check out my channel, and at any point of time when you have time, you can go through at least 4 5 videos at a time, and then you can sort out the jobs and companies that you wish to apply for, and then later you can apply on those jobs one by one. So you can do this regularly if you are interested to get a remote work from home job opportunity, or you are just looking for a freelance kind of role where you can work as a side hustle, or you can earn money in your free time. So it is up to you, and what you can do, you can go through all the videos, and you can select any of the 4 5 videos every day, and you can check out them. You can check out those videos and note down all the requirements that the companies are looking for. Now let's come to the today's video. This video is going to be an interesting video for people who are looking for freelance writing jobs. Both these platforms provide freelance writing opportunities to work from home that you can do in your flexible time. You can create your own schedule. BE Writers offer freelance writing jobs. BE Writers provides an excellent career opportunity to work from home for people from all over the world. No matter what is your geographic location, you can check out the platform and you can apply for the job. They have completed around 4.5 lakhs of projects. So the company offers full freedom because this is a freelance opportunity. So here you can create your own schedule. This is totally flexible. Here it is written that no time constraints, a variety of job choices, and a 24/7 support. You will be getting 24/7 support from the company. The platform provides competitive compensation, motivational bonuses, and opportunities to learn something new every day. So no matter if you are already an experienced writer, or you are just starting new, or you are a fresher, you're a housewife, you are a student, college going student, you can check out the details because here the company accepts writers of all kinds. Now, order rates depend on the complexity of the task, its volume, and delivery time. So, in addition to the base price, the company used to provide multiple bonus incentives. In addition to the price in addition to the price that is already there for the project to complete the project, you will also be getting a lot of bonuses and incentives, and the company does not set any rules to the number of completed projects, so it is always up to you how much to work. So it is totally up to you, and you can decide how much hours you would like to work on the platform, and accordingly you can receive the payment. Some of the writers that are already working with the company. Okay, so how it works. So B Writers offers a unique opportunity to work as a freelance writer, where you can choose how much to work. In return, we want you to meet our standards and produce original content of high quality. So as a writer, you are required to provide original content, and you first need to register on the platform, and you will be asked to take an English test that is like that is some sort of like grammar test. You will be given a sample task to complete, and then you can choose tasks you like, and you can provide original content. So this is very simple. First, you can register. After registering on the platform, you just need to take the English test and then the sample task. If you get selected, you can start working on the platform. So if we talk about the benefits, here are the benefits. Here you're not required to pay any kind of registration fee, and this is totally flexible. So you can create your own schedule. You will be getting 24/7 support from the platform, and a wide variety of tasks will be available. They have bonus systems, personal success managers there, then competitive salary and on-time payments. And if we talk about the payments, the company offers multiple writing job opportunities with fair compensation, and you can work anytime and choose jobs that interest you the most. And based on the complexity of the task, the urgency of the task, and volume of the job, you will be paid with somewhere between $3 to $18 per hour of work, depending on the urgency, complexity, and volume of the tasks available on the platform. In addition to the compensation, you will also be getting bonuses. You can choose to work either part time or full time, it is up to you. Payment will be through PayPal, Wise, Payoneer, or like wire transfer. You can have any of these. So here are some of the requirements that the company has mentioned. So although they are not looking for any kind of a specific experience, they have mentioned that at least 2 years of bachelor's program. So you should have a bachelor's degree and advanced English, excellent writing skills, and good time management skills, attention to detail, and ability to produce 100% original content, timely job submission. So, if you wish to apply for the job, here's the application button, become a writer, and you can register on the platform and you can take the English test and then sample tasks. The second platform is Witty Pen. This is also a freelance platform where you can work as a writer. And this is the company's website. If you wish to apply as a writer, here join the best platform for writers. Wittypen wants you to focus on what you do best, writing good content. The company used to match freelancers with businesses in their own domain, and so that you don't waste countless hours in finding work. So you will be first matched with the businesses that you are in or that you want to provide services for or writing content for. So here is how to apply as a freelance writer at Witty Pen. This is a simple three-step process. You first need to create an account. You will be registering on the platform using your email ID, and then you can start filling up the application form. You will be asked to fill up simple basic details. Here you will be asked to provide a sample write-up. They have written that pick a topic from the list and write based on the brief. Become a writer on Wittypen. Okay. If approved by our writer selection team, your account will be converted to a writer account. So basically, what you will be doing, you are mainly required to provide sample content that you will be asked for while filling up the application form. Once your write-up gets approved, your account will be converted to a writer account and you can start working as a writer at Witty Pen. Now, here are some of the benefits that the company has mentioned. So it is one-time application. You will only be asked to apply for once. Then you will be submitting the best fresh samples. These samples will be based on your interest, allowing you to work in your preferred domains. So the company used to release the payment every Saturday. This is slow, so you will be getting ample of time to complete the task or to complete the write-up. The company used to provide all kind of support and guidelines. You can write blogs, how-to articles, guest posts, press releases, and websites, SEO landing pages, pillar pages, comparison pages, white papers, and product descriptions. So it is up to you what kind of content you wish to write. You can choose from any of these. So here are some of the writers that are already working with Witty Pen. The compensation rate used to vary from 70 paise to 3 rupees per word. This is a kind of freelance opportunity, and you can create your own schedule. This will be totally flexible. The company used to release payment in 7 days, 15 or 30 days of timeline after the content or project is approved by the customer. And the company used to release payments every fortnight. There's no obligation to complete any kind of like minimum number of projects. However, most of the writers who earn regularly spend at least 3 hours every day on the platform, and which could increase on weekends. You always have liberty to determine your workload because, as I already mentioned, that this is a flexible and freelance kind of opportunity. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is you need to complete the deliverables on time, and you need to submit the task before the deadline. So if you wish to apply, you can apply from here. This is the application button, become a writer. So you can register on the platform and start applying for the job. So no matter if you're a fresher, you are a housewife, or you are just a graduate, you can check out the details. And if you are interested to work as a writer and you are willing to either work as a part-time or full-time, or you're just willing to work as a side hustle to earn some extra income, you can check out both the platforms and create account. And so if you get approved, you can start working immediately on the platform. So go ahead and check out all the details before you apply. So thank you for listening.